To get Nearpod embedded into your assignment, you're going to go to your lesson in Nearpod that you want. Make sure you click on student pace, and then you're going to want to share this one. So you don't want the code. You want to click the embed button. Make sure you say require student submissions. So they have to answer everything. I used the medium and it looked fine on my screen for the size. Copy it. And then you're going to go into your classes, and in your lesson for it, this is what you are going to do. So inside your lesson for this, you're going to want to make sure that you click the three dots, more miscellaneous, and click code view, because you're going to want to add in the code. So click code view. And I already have my code here, so you want to paste the code in there. And the only reason that I have this stuff up here is because I already have stuff typed. So that's why you're going to get the code view for that as well. When you're finished adding your code view, or your code into the code view, you're going to want to click the two arrows again. After you click the two little code arrows, you're going to see Nearpod pop at the bottom. Now it looks silly on your screen here, but I'm going to show you what it looks like on the student screen. Make sure that you have it non-scored, because I don't think we're scoring the Nearpod today. Allow multiple attempts, allow late submissions, make sure you add your participants. I just put on here typed to complete the Nearpod during asynchronous work time. When you finish the Nearpod, please scroll to the bottom of the page and click submit so that we know that they finished it. And then you can click save. Now on the student view, this is what it looks like. So as soon as they open this assignment, they have their directions nice and highlighted and yellow at the top. Then they have their Nearpod already pulled up. They don't have to leave. Their name should already be in it, maybe not. But that, and then they click join lesson, and then they literally complete everything on this page, which is awesome. They don't have to leave. And then they just click submit response.